Why would it be important to have an inspection done prior to listing your home on the market? After being involved in hundreds of home transactions in the Colorado Front Range and as a former builder with over 40 years experience, I know a thing or two about that. In our area, it's customary for the buyer to pay for inspections. But when would it be advantageous for a seller to do them prior to going active on the market? We don't always recommend this, but here are a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing is helpful. It could end up saving you time and money. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and you wouldn't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't aware of. We've seen sewer line and roof repairs cost well over $25,000. Now imagine getting a sewer line replacement bill for $25,000, and the only way the buyer will buy the home is if it's repaired or paid for. And what if you're under contract on another home and you're counting on that $25,000 to close on that next home? This could create a huge problem. What about this? Let's say you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or air conditioning unit to be replaced or needs a radon system installed. You could do a few things. Sell the home as is and disclose the issues, not sell at all, or do what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior to listing is to prevent unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want you, the seller, to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of your home. The inspections we recommend are the standard and customary inspections that a buyer would normally do. We recommend a thorough home inspection that analyzes everything, including the roof, the structure, a radon inspection, and a sewer scope. Fun fact, 73% of homes in Colorado have elevated radon levels. It's helpful, but not mandatory, to make sure all the health and safety items are fixed, as these are commonly requested by the buyers. This helps the seller because they have much more insurance that they will net the money they thought they were getting when going under contract. Another important reason for doing a home inspection prior to listing your home is it gives you time to complete repairs and have time to shop for the best cost. Buyers will have peace of mind because the home is pre-inspected, and in general, they usually won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase, and inspection issues can have costs and delays that may jeopardize the purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is in move-in ready condition. To wrap it up, the seller and the buyer have more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close. It keeps everyone safe during and after the close of the home. I'm John Bulick, your trusted real estate expert with the Summit Team, here to provide you with the experience, expertise, and excellence you deserve in Wheat Ridge and Arvada, Colorado.